in this video we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 17. The name of the chapter is Tejal in Ahmedabad, from standard 4, subject environment. In this chapter we will see the story of a girl whose name is Tejal, and she used to live at village. As her mother fell ill, she came to Ahmedabad city for her mother's treatment, and now she is sharing her experiences about the changes that she see in city and village. Okay, so all of you open page number 129 in your environment textbook, chapter 17, Tejal in Ahmedabad. So let's start. I come to Ahmedabad a month ago for my mother's treatment. My mother has been admitted in the hospital. So a month ago Tejal came to Ahmedabad city with her mother. Why? As her mother is not well, she came to Ahmedabad city for her mother's treatment. The big city Ahmedabad. I have slowly got used to the city. I still remember the day when my mother and I got off the train at the Ahmedabad station. It was so crowded. I quickly caught hold of my mother's hand as Tejal and her mother get off the train at Ahmedabad station. She was afraid to the crowded places, so she holds her mother's hand. I was thinking about how Mama would find us in the crowded. Just then I heard someone calling loudly from behind, Tejal, Tejal. I turned back and there was Mama. Now she is thinking that in this crowded place, how her Mama will find her. Just then she listened a voice like Tejal, Tejal, and when she turns back, she finds her Mama calling her. We left the station and were soon on our way to Mama's house, but it was very crowded everywhere. There were many huts lined up all along the narrow street. We walked through the street to reach Mama's house. Now this Tejal's mother and her Mama left the railway station and they went to a narrow street to reach to her Mama's house. Mama, Mommy and their two daughters and a son all live in one room. Her Mama lives in one room, and they how many family members are there in her Mama's family? Her Mama, her Mommy, two daughters and one son. Now I too live here with them. It is here that we sit, sleep, cook and wash all in one room. My house in the village also has only one room. In her village they also have one room, but we have separate places for cooking and for bathing. We also have a courtyard outside, and they also have a courtyard outside of their house. Rutwa, Mommy and I get up at 4 o'clock every morning and go to the public tap to fill water. Here Rutwa, her Mama's daughter, her Mommy and Tejal wake up at 4 o'clock and they go to the public tap to fill the water. Why? Because there is only one common tap in the place where her Mama lives. If we are late, just a little late, then we are not able to fill water for the day. And if Tejal and her Mama's family get late to fill the water, then they are not able to get water for the day. There is no tap in our house in the village too. And in her village, in Tejal's village, there is also no tap. The pond in the village has water. It takes 20 minutes to walk to it. And now they, in her village, they fill water from pond, and it takes 20 minutes to walk to it. Okay, in summer sometimes the water in the pond dries up, and in summer season the water in the pond dries up. Then we have to walk for almost an hour to the river to get water, and then they have to walk almost an hour to get the water. But in the village there were no fights for water. But in the village they do not fight for the water. In the street where Mama lives, there is a toilet at one end. Everyone in the street uses that toilet. It is always very dirty and smells so bad. In the beginning I felt like vomiting. At times there is no water. So there was no toilet in Tejal's Mama house. So Tejal had to use the common toilet, and all the people in that area uses the same toilet, as it was so dirty and not cleaned. So when this Tejal uses that toilet for the first time, she felt like vomiting as it was so dirty. At time we have to take water with us, and they have to take water. There is no tap in that toilet. They have to take water with them. Now I am getting used to all this. Now she is getting used to all this. In the village, people do go to the open places or fields for toilet. The man and the woman go to different places. In their village there is also no toilet. They go to the field for toilet, and here in her village, women and men go to different places. That's it, students. We will continue our chapter in our next video. Thank you.